technically they could kick anyone out that's not on that property. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So this is pretty much part two, where we left off with the other cruise that we had. Literally came home and pretty much changed just because we were in the sun all day. And then we have, you guys see, we have the Shelby and it's on E. So we gotta go put gas in this one too. And then we should be meeting up with Abraham, who he had the Mach 1, the wrapped one with the Terminator swap. Should be meeting up with them. And he's gonna have his Shelby now too. So pretty much we just changed into our Shelbys. Abraham 13, 14 Shelby right there. Then Alex is gonna go ahead and drive the Mach. And then I got the Shelby. Good old Shelby, even though it's starting to mess up too. Damn.
Watch out,
You got you? Yeah. Go. Cops are here, even though this is pretty much an actual event, but I don't know. Technically, they could kick anyone out that's not on that property. So it is what it is, I guess. Oh damn, there's heck up. guys, so we're actually washing up the Cobra now. It's been a day, so we're gonna go ahead and actually I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick this, because honestly people don't really understand how to apply it. Sometimes I get asked a lot, but basically when it's still wet and you're doing the first application, literally just go ahead and spray it on here, and then I go ahead and grab good old microfiber, nice plush one, soft, and you actually dry it with it. And then I always carry two, so then I do one for the initial wiping and I get another one to go ahead and just kind of finish off so it doesn't leave any streaks or anything like that. But as far as sprayable ceramic coatings, I want to go ahead and say this is my favorite out of all of them, in all honesty. But once you do the first initial drying pretty much like this, then you can go ahead and rinse off the car again, and then just after that, when it's still wet, you go ahead and spray, rinse off, and you just kind of do that every once in a while to keep up on it. And it actually, like I said, it does pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie, and that's why I'm doing it on this one. And again, that's actually why we did it with the new GMC truck as well, because I love this one, honestly, and how well it works. But again, it's just a lot of people don't do that first drying. They usually just kind of put it on and spray it, because the instructions are a little confusing if you, I guess, don't really pay attention to it, because it does kind of state it, but you have to like really pay attention. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this car pretty much, but it does make it super smooth, and the hydrophobic effect is amazing. And again, I just want to go ahead and do this real quick. Just kind of ended up happening in this video because I was gonna wash the car anyways. But that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and have to wait until those Mustangs get picked up. Well, there goes the performance pack wheels, so those are gone. So we're gonna go ahead and put the car on jack stands now, since again the wheels are gone. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it as it is pretty much. I do have some people interested in the cars, so we'll go ahead and see how that works out. Keep going. That's perfect. So there they go. That is it. That is the end of an era, unfortunately, but we're gonna go ahead and put a lot more focus into the Shelby and the Cobra right here.